When the British Mark I tank first appeared on the battlefield, German soldiers were greatly shocked. It became an incredibly innovative weapon that changed not only the tactics of World War I, but also all subsequent wars. Hello, everyone! Of course, modern tanks are far different from the huge and clumsy masses of iron in the early days. They have transformed into high-tech machines packed with electronic equipment, which is what I would like to introduce today. Welcome to our channel, everyone. Close the tank hatches and let's go. Type 10 tank, Japan. In the 1990s, Japan decided to develop a new tank to replace the Type 90 main battle tank. The issue was not only the introduction of new technologies. The Type 90 tank, weighing over 50 tons, could only be used in Hokkaido. Many roads and bridges in other regions were not designed to support vehicles of such weight. Additionally, Western tanks were even heavier, making it impractical to adopt them as replacements. That's when the Type 10 tank, weighing 44 tons, came into the picture. Developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, production began in 2010. This tank features modular armor, which can be selectively added or removed depending on the mission. When fully armored, the weight of the tank reaches 48 tons, and it is capable of withstanding artillery fire from a distance of 250 meters from tanks of the same type. Approximately 100 units are deployed in the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. The Type 10 tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun and can use tungsten-based, fin-stabilized, armor-piercing, discarding sabot rounds effective against explosive reactive armor. It achieves a loading time of just 3.5 seconds after firing with its state-of-the-art autoloader. Equipped with advanced electronic systems, the Type 10 tank is considered one of the most advanced tanks in the world. The 360-degree rotating commander's sight, which provides day and night vision, projects images onto the onboard monitor, and it also includes features such as an anti-aircraft laser warning system. Using the C4I, Command, Control, Communications, Computers, and Intelligence system, it coordinates with other vehicles, identifies enemy vehicles, and assesses the effects of firing. It is a powerful and highly maneuverable weapon capable of fully adapting to modern network-centric warfare. Type 99A2 tank, China. The Type 99 tank was developed by China based on the Soviet T-72 tank and was deployed in 2001. In 2015, an improved version called the Type 99A2 was introduced. This tank is equipped with an automated loading system and a 125mm smoothbore gun capable of firing up to 10 rounds per minute. It can launch various types of ammunition, including anti-tank missiles, high-performance explosive rounds, shaped charge rounds, and armor-piercing rounds. It can automatically track targets up to 5 kilometers away while moving and firing. It uses a thermal imaging sight for firing control, and the onboard computer automatically adjusts the trajectory. While the base of the tank may not be the most advanced, it features state-of-the-art electronic systems. The ST-16 millimeter wave radar system has the ability to detect, identify, and track targets during combat, distinguishing between friend and foe. This tank also supports the C4ISR, Command, Control, Communications, Computers, Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance system, enabling joint operations with other vehicles. Furthermore, it is equipped with the JD-3 Compact Active Laser Defense System, which incorporates laser detectors and high-power lasers. When a laser irradiation is detected, it activates a low-power laser to locate the source. This laser has the capability to blind enemies within a radius of 4 kilometers. How does this Chinese tank engage in combat? What tactics does it employ during battles? K2 Black Panther tank, South Korea. This main battle tank of South Korea was deployed in actual combat in 2014 as a response to the need for high precision and mobility in warfare. During the design and development process, the South Korean military prioritized enabling network-centric command and control capabilities, As a result, the K-2 tank Black Panther is equipped with an advanced aiming and fire control system that includes its own radar, target lock, and tracking capabilities. It also features compatibility with the C4I system and includes devices for enemy and friendly identification. The tank can share information with other vehicles and autonomously engage in one-on-one combat with enemies or operate as part of a platoon. A remote reconnaissance drone is also under development specifically for the K-2 tank, and it includes an active protection system that can detect and intercept projectiles and missiles. The K-2 tank Black Panther is equipped with modular armor to adapt to various battlefield scenarios. The internally chrome-plated 120mm smoothbore gun can fire up to 10 rounds per minute using an automatic loading system. The automatic loading system recognizes the type of ammunition and selects the appropriate rounds based on the situation. In anti-tank warfare, the K-2 Black Panther can fire either fin-stabilized, armor-piercing, discarding sabot rounds or guided projectiles. The K-280 multi-purpose tank-tracked illuminating shell is a multi-purpose ammunition designed to detonate within 7 meters of the target, such as when attacking helicopters. M1A2 Abrams, United States. The M1 Abrams first appeared from the production line in 1980. However, subsequent expensive new tank projects were canceled in the United States. Within those cancellations, improvements reflecting technological advancements were made to the M1 Abrams. The latest version is the M1A2 SEP-V3 Abrams, which was deployed to the U.S. Army in 2016. SEP stands for System Enhancement Package, and it denotes the third upgrade of the system. The M1A2 Abrams is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun and a system called CROWS-2, Common Remotely Operated Weapon Station 2, which allows remote operation of the coaxial machine gun and other systems. It also features robust depleted uranium armor, a spall liner to mitigate blast effects when hit, and an active protection system. It can integrate with battlefield networks through various data link functions, enabling communication with other vehicles. To simplify the crew's tasks, it is equipped with a user-friendly digital control system. The M1A2 SEP-V3 is planned to undergo further upgrades in the next few years and become the M1A2 SEP-V4. Leopard 2A7 Plus, Germany. The Leopard 2A7 Plus is the latest upgraded version of the reliable German Leopard 2 tank, which was first deployed in 1979. It was introduced into service in 2010. It features enhanced mine protection and additional armor on the hull and turret to defend against anti-tank weapons such as RPGs, rocket projectiles, and thrown objects. However, these improvements have increased the weight of the vehicle to approximately 68 to 70 tons. Its main armament consists of a 120mm smoothbore gun with programmable ammunition incorporating tungsten cores. Optionally, it can be equipped with a remotely operated grenade launcher or a machine gun on the FLW-200 armed station, as well as CCD cameras and thermal night vision sights. This tank is designed to operate in various battlefields, including urban warfare. It is equipped with air conditioning, a fire suppression system, and an auxiliary power unit to supply power to electronic systems. With its digital systems, individual tanks can be connected to a network system covering the entire battlefield. This enables data link capabilities with logistical units to optimize supply support to other units and tanks during combat operations. Merkava Mark IV Barak, Israel. The Merkava Mark IV Barak, unofficially known as the Merkava Mark V, is the latest tank being deployed by the Israeli Defense Forces since 2023. This latest model is designed for operational use in and around Israel, specifically for large-scale combat and guerrilla warfare scenarios. As a result, the Merkava Mark V boasts high defense capabilities against anti-tank missiles, RPGs, and shaped charges. Its active protection system, called Trophy, is capable of detecting and intercepting incoming projectiles targeting the tank. The Merkava Mark V, like other fourth-generation tanks, is equipped with a digital battle management system and a day/night dual-sensor panoramic sight that provides a 360-degree view of the surroundings. The commander's helmet, known as Iron Vision, allows for advanced features such as ammunition selection guidance and simplified target tracking, presenting a 3D representation of the battlefield. The digital battle management system, integrated with artificial intelligence, handles most of the routine tasks, enabling the crew to engage in combat with reduced workload. Apart from that, the Merkava Mark V retains the 120mm smoothbore gun found on the Merkava Mark IV. The Merkava Mark V has a range of 500 kilometers and a top speed of 64 kilometers an hour. KF-51 Panther, Germany. The KF-51 Panther is Germany's main battle tank, developed by Rheinmetall Land Systems based on the Leopard 2A4. It boasts a 3-tiered defense system against attacks. Its first layer consists of passive reactive armor made of steel on the hull. The second layer features sensor-equipped explosive reactive armor designed to defeat the projectile's momentum through directional blasts. The third layer is an active protection system capable of intercepting missiles and projectiles approaching the tank. The KF-51 Panther is equipped with a 130mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing armor-piercing rounds and airburst munitions, showcasing its formidable firepower. Advanced electronic equipment and electro-optical/infrared cameras enable target tracking regardless of day or night conditions. The tank monitors targets using reconnaissance drones that can be launched from other vehicles or the tank itself. Additionally, it can be equipped with the Hero 120 suicide drone, enabling it to attack targets. This tank is designed to comply with the NATO standard called NGVA, NATO Generic Vehicle Architecture, to enable interoperability with other vehicles. All armaments are configured to follow a computerized fire control system known as the Hunter-Killer mode and Killer-Killer mode. Moreover, it is designed for decision-making by artificial intelligence. With that, I would like to conclude our video. Thank you for watching. I'm really excited to read the comments from all of you who watched the video this time. How did you find the latest tanks? Which tank would you like to know more about? We will definitely incorporate your requests in our upcoming videos. Well then, it's time to say goodbye for now. Until we meet again soon. Goodbye, everyone.